Hi friends, good morning and welcome back to our MBA Designs. In today's video, we will be learning how to design a modern TV stand with showcase and two nesting tables. So I will be in detail explaining you how to design this TV stand and applying the materials with all the dimensions and what are the storage options, how we will do the two design nesting tables. All these things will be explained in very detail, so please watch the video until the end so that you will not miss anything that is important, and the result of the end product will be very beautiful that you will love the design. So before we get started with the design, so I would like you to share these videos and then subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel Abu MBA Designs. So please subscribe and also click on the notifications icon so that you will get the notifications on the new videos that I will be posting. And definitely as you subscribe, you will be getting notifications of the new videos, and the new videos will be of more interesting new designs of furniture. And so let's get started. So to design the wall modern TV stand, we will be requiring a wall. First let me make a wall of 14 feet by 9 inches. Usually the wall size is 9 inches, so let me design it with the measurements. So this is the wall, and the height of this I will be using the push pull tool and extend this wall to 10 feet, which will be the usually standard height of the wall. So once this wall is done, I will move this M to the origin of this axis. So now since after the wall is ready, we are not going to make any modifications on this wall, so let me convert this into a component so that it will not be disturbed. Now we can also have a floor, but it's not really needed, so let's go with the design. Let's start with the design. So my design, I will take the base first. So what would be the base is, let me take it as 5 feet by 18 inches, which is like 1.5 feet. So this would be our size of our TV stand. So this, let me I will make a base of like 2 inches for this. So this is going to be the base, and then now we will plan on this surface how we will be making what about the storage and all. We will be making this. So usually the wood we will be using here in this case will be like 0.75 inch thickness wood. So I made a line at 0.75 thickness, and then from there on to the edge I will make a line. So this will be acting as the wall on the left side, and then what I will do next is I will copy this line to an extent of let's make it 1.5 feet also. So what I'm trying to do here in this case is, out of 5 feet I am going to take out 2 feet for the place where we will insert the nesting tables. Okay, so let me take out from here, make a point to at 2 feet. So up to here. So this area we will be making it like for the nesting of the nesting to store the nesting table. So from here I will be using 0.75 inch. This will be the wall on the left side, and then from here I will take another 0.75 inch, which will be another wall. So since this area we will be using for the to store the nesting tables, we don't require this anywhere. We don't require any surface here, so it will be like a 0. There will be nothing on this, and for this one I will extend this to the total of 1 feet 8 inches. The total height of the table will be 1 feet 6 inches, 1.5 feet. So if I want 1.5 feet, 1 feet is like 18 inches minus 2 inches base. It will be 18 inches height. You see, okay. Now also this one, it will be 18 inches, or I can just click on this surface here, so it will take the same height. And then this one I will be taking also, extending it, pulling it to the same height of this. Now I will be, what I need is to close this surface from here, and then for which I will be also again taking another 0.75 inch of the wall. I will be drawing like a wall here, so that it's here like this. Then I will pull this surface since it's like this, and then another line I will make it from here. So I want it in the same thickness, right? So I can take it like 0.75 from here, or I can take the same reference line and then I can draw another line along the x-axis green axis, so that it will be in the right place. So this one again I will pull it to this surface. Yeah, so that's how we have the frame now. So let me erase the unwanted guidelines here. Okay, let it be, no need. So what I could have done is this one I can extend it only up to this point. Yeah, so now I should think we should not have a problem in erasing these lines. Okay, so we have a clean surface here now, like this. So these are all like the solid woods. So next thing is I will be making a midline from here, the center of it, to this point as an x-axis, and then from here I will be taking 0.75 inches. Now from here it will be 0.75 inch. No, come, it's on the edge, 0.75 inch. So, or okay, what I can do is I can just simply offset this. There is a workaround for this. What I will do is first I will select this line, then I will offset this using the offset command over here, and it will be like 0.75 inches. So I don't know why it's not taking the also, or what else we can do is just copy this line, select this line first, then use the move command, control, from here to on the edge we will make it to 0.75 inch. See, that's the another way we could do this. So now we can extrude this using the pull push command. So it's another wall for us up to the surface. Okay, so what I need now in this is at the center I will make another. From the center I will make another line, and 0.75 inches will be this one from here. Okay, from here I will take 0.75 inches. No, it's not taking. So let's do it the same way again. From let's select this one. Use the move command, control key, then move it to 0.75 inches. I am getting so many calls today, so extend it until the edge. Okay, likewise, now what I will do is to draw another two lines. I will just copy these lines here so that they will be used as a guides for me, and click them until here. Okay, and then I will be using pull command to bring them also up to here. Okay, so that's how it's done. And if you want, you can add drawers, or if you want, you can also add what we say it as, just a second. So this one, since it's base, it's gonna be open, we can just remove this one so that it is open to the floor. Okay, what I was trying to say is, if you want, you can add like drawers here and or here as you wish. And then now the next thing, before I go with making of the storage and also the under tables like nesting tables here, I will recommend you to make this into a component so that nothing changes with these things. Okay, so I will mark it as a base, table base. Okay, that's it. So second thing, now we will be making a storage here. So for the storage, or my other idea I will be doing is like, it will be only up to the half, which is like, or let me say like 9 inches only. It will be like 0.75 inches, comma, let me say 12 inches rectangle. So this one I will pull it to the height of, let's say, if you want it to be at a height of 6 feet, up to 6 feet, then you already have the base of 1 feet 6 inches, right? So it will be 4 feet 6 inches. So it will be like, overall it will be 6 inches, 6 feet height. So before I can do anything, let me make sure that what is the distance from here, or it can be like, so what I can do is I will select this and I will move it to the origin of this. Okay, now it is to the now it is to the exactly edge of it. So what I want is 1 feet onto the right and 1 feet onto the left. I will make shelves, racks. So these racks, before that I will move this now from here. So because I need 1 feet, I will move this to 1 feet from onto the left. So from here, make sure that it is on the red axis so that it will not be misplaced in somewhere else. So it will be in the same surface. So 1 feet I have moved it. So in this 1 feet I will now have the shelves. So before I can do the shelves, what I will do is I will make this also a component. It will be easier for me when I make the shelves. So from here I will take it to the surface, right? It will be like 1 feet, as you know, comma 0.75 inch. Okay, so it took the other direction. So what I can do is I can either rotate it or I can simply draw another another rectangle in the other axis. So it will be like 0.75 inch comma 12 inches. See, okay. Now what I will do is I will extrude this to this direction, which is, now I know that this is 10 inches 12 inches, right? So it will, I extruded it up to this surface. So what I will be doing now is select this and convert this to a component again. So I will say it as a shelf. Okay, so this one, now it's in our hand, like how we want to design it, every 1 feet, and then or it's up to you, like how many you want it. So I will copy, I want to copy this one, duplicate this one, so I used move command and then control key and then start moving it. So that's one thing. And then the next thing is I will copy the same stuff, 3 pieces, and try to move them. I will just bring them onto the left side here. So let me take this as the origin pickup point for me now. So before that, use control key and that's it, it's here. So if you wish to have it in the same orientation like this, you can have it, or you can even move them. I would like to move it to another 6 inches height so that they will be like in a zigzag manner. So this has made us a very nice tea table, modern TV stand. So now the last thing we have is, let me do one thing before I can do anything else. This one I will convert them, I will make it in a group so that they will not be detached. So overall the whole thing I will make it into another group. Okay, now what I will be doing is I will be doing, we need to design the nesting tables under this area, right? So if I remember them correctly, the calculation is like the height of this is 1 feet 6 inches and the width, the space inside is 2 feet. So from 2 feet I have used like 1.5 feet for the walls inside, so that means it's like 1.5 inches less than 2 feet. So to make this design I will make a rectangle, not from this, I will start a rectangle from here, and the measurements I will take it like, let me, instead of 24 inches I will take it 22 inches, comma, instead of 18 inches I will take it 16 inches. So this one, it will be like we have enough space for this to be played. So what next I will do is I will make an offset to this, offset with 0.75 inches, right? So let me first select this surface and then I will click on offset, then I will say like this, it's like 0.75 inch. So now you have to notice that if it has to be a nesting table, you cannot have this base here. So I will detach this using the guidelines here like this, and then and now I can delete these things from here. Okay, let me do it like this. Okay, I'll just move this, just to make it easier I will move them to the left side so I can see the front and back of these stuffs. Now what I will do is extend this, pull this to the same surface level. Okay. uh, oh, something wrong. Okay, it has to be to the front side, not to the back side, so it will be like 1 feet 6 inches, 18 inches. Okay, now this one, it will be like a base for a back for us, so for the table. No, there is no need of any back on the back side for the for the nesting table, so I can delete this and also this, and then no need of these lines here, so like this. And what I need is to make my table more stronger. I will make a base here like 1 inch pipe, 1 inch. So okay, so this one will be like a support pipe which will be extended up to here. Okay, so now what I will do is I will make another, I will convert this to a component which I will call each nesting table 1 and big. I can write it big, created. So the next thing I have to consider while making another next table is the second table should fit inside this table, right? So the size of it will be little more smaller than this one. So it was like 22 inches before, 22 inches by 16 inches, right? So now this one I will make it 18 inches by, instead of 16 inches I'll make it 12 inches, so 12 inches or 14 inches. So 1 inch or 2 inches gap is enough, so it will be like 18 inches comma 14 inches. So this will be the height of this table. So again, as we did it before, surface color, select the surface, then offset from here to 0.75 inches, then we extrude this. Now another thing we have to remember while extruding this is, when you extrude this, you cannot extrude it to 1.5 inch, because you remember there is we used a base frame here, so it will not be completely going. So what I will do is, instead of 18 inches I'll make it 16 inches now. So you see, I just forgot to remove the base, so no matter, it's very simple. We just like make a line and then extrude this to the surface and then erase this. Okay, now we are going to make the same base here, strong base support on the back side, which is like I gave 1 inch before, and also now it will be 1 inch. So this one I can extend it to this level, and now I will make this as another component. So select it by dragging from the left corner to the right. Make component, it will be nesting table, small, medium, create. So you have noticed how simple it was, and let me take them under this. And move this little to the side, 0.25 inch, and then this one. Move it So you can use the same calculations also. So now I will try to choose apply material for this. So no, not that good. So this one looks good, and this one like this. So if you want to make different in different surfaces, different colors, you can do that also. Let me show you. So this one, instead of wood, I would like to make it in a color, let's say white color. So let me choose white color. I will be painting this one as a in white color instead of no. So only the surfaces we can make it white from inside. So that looks good, isn't it? If you want, you can make the same white color for these tables also inside, and then double click on this. So the idea is you have to, if you want to edit something, you have to double click on that object and then apply colors from here. So that's it. We have the nice TV stand here with storage, showcase, and then 2 nesting tables. So thank you friends for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the design, please like my video, and if you have any special requests on some new designs, please share me your ideas, and I will try to make the design for you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.